Il est là-bas. He is over there. Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to see how il est is used in French. So let's start. Il est means he is. Its feminine version is elle est, and its plural versions are ils sont and elles sont. Il est is used to describe a person or a thing. In a negative sentence, il est becomes il n'est pas. As seen previously, il est can be followed by a profession, il est docteur, he is a doctor, a religion, il est protestant, he is a Protestant, a nationality, il est anglais, he is English, but il est can also be followed by an adjective used to refer to someone or to an object. Il est petit. He is small. Here, for example, we could talk about Paul and say il est petit, but equally about a masculine object like a pen and say il est petit. Il est can also be followed by an adverb of places when you are talking about a person or an object. French has many adverbs of places. Let's learn 3 for the purpose of this lesson. Ici, here, là, there, and là-bas, over there. Il est là-bas. He is over there. Here, for example, we could talk about Paul and say il est là-bas, but equally about a masculine object like a book and say il est là-bas. Il est can also be followed by a contracted article and a location when you're talking about an object or a person. Il est au parc. He is at the park. Here, for example, we could talk about Paul and say il est au parc, but equally about a masculine object like a ball and say il est au parc, if we imagine we left the ball there. And finally, il est can be followed by a preposition and a geographical place when we are talking about a person or an object. Il est en France. He is in France. Here we can talk about Paul and say il est en France, but equally about a masculine object like a telephone and say il est en France, if we imagine we left the telephone there. Note that il est can be used with more things, like with telling the time or talking about the weather, for example. Of course, all these rules apply to elle est, ils sont, and elles sont. That's it for the rules about il est. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. À bientôt!